Customize the record details with page layouts. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to create and manage page layouts, use the page layout editor, assign a page layout to a profile, explain how the page layout editor derives record details content in a Lightning experience. Page layout. What you see when you log into Salesforce for the first time is just the start. You can customize and personalize many things on a given object record page using page layouts. There are two ways to customize a page in a Lightning experience. You can customize the page layout or customize its contents. These are done with separate tools. Lightning pages are a collection of Lightning components arranged in regions on the page. You can customize the structure of the page and the position of its components with the Lightning App Builder. Learn more in the Lightning App Builder module right here in Trailhead. We already did that a little bit. You can customize a page content such as the fields and button that appeared on the page by using a different tool called the Page Layout Editor. The Page Layout Editor, also known as Page Layouts, helps you manage the content pages in both our classic UI and in Lightning experience. The Page Layout Editor is what we'll be working in this unit. Note, why do we use the Dual UI Page Layout Editor tool to help customize page content in the Lightning experience? Because the Lightning App Builder can customize buttons, actions, and fields on pages. Yet, the Page Layout Editor lets you control which fields, lists, or related records and custom links the users see. Customize the order that the fields appear in the page details. Determine which fields are visible, read-only, or required. Control which standard and custom buttons appear on records and related lists. Control which quick actions appear on the page. You're probably thinking, buttons, lists, and record details? What is all this stuff? Well, let's take a quick page layout tour by looking at an example, contact records, and then we will dive in and customize the layout. We'll talk more about buttons, links, and actions and how to modify them on page layouts in a later unit. These are the parts of a page that you can customize using page layouts to create a personalized view for different teams and processes in your org. The Related tab contains related lists, which are lists of other records that are associated with the record you are viewing. For example, an account you can have related products, contacts, opportunities, and other custom records. Related lists make it easy to find and manage related information. Now we have a contact here, and the related tab, let's open contact to see this. Do we have any contacts here? Yes, we do. The contact home buyer. So there are the related lists and records. For example, the offer here that we created in one of the first modules. In the details tab, it shows information about the record. For example, a contact record detail page shows the name, address, account, owner, account, and other fields that are used to store information about the contact and other related records. To change the contact of the fields on a related record page, you can click Edit. So the little pencil, like right here. Or we can also do that there. Whatever you prefer. However, that edit button doesn't let you configure which fields appear in the record details. Let's go over that now. Customize the fields in your record details. Customizing the fields on your record pages is easy, and you can do it with just a few clicks. The Enhanced Page Layout Editor is the go-to place for customizing a Lightning Experience Records page fields and related lists. It's called Enhanced because there is an earlier version of it. We'll just refer to it as the Page Layout Editor here. The Page Layout Editor has two basic parts: a palette on the upper portion of the screen, which is the first one there, and the records page layout on the lower portion of the screen, which is the second one here. The palette contains the basic elements such as fields, actions, buttons, links, and related lists that you can add and arrange on the page. You can think of the upper part as the buffet table and the lower part as the plate of food you are assembling. Maybe you're thinking, hey, what's that highlights panel section there? Didn't you tell us that a compact layout control the highlights panel on Lightning Experience record pages? Yes, we did that, and that's still true. The highlights panel section in the page layouts editor controls the highlights panel on pages in our classic UI. It's of no use to us in the Lightning Experience. For now, let's take a quick tour of the page layout editor by adding and changing a basic field on a lead record. First, we need to find and open the lead page layout. From Setup, click Object Manager. Click Lead to open the object and then click Page Layouts. So we need to find that here. Page layout editor. The object manager under lead. Page layouts. And there we have it. Lead layout. Now that we have opened the lead page layout, let's make an update. As you all know, fax machines are so last century. So let's remove that field. Where do we have it? Drag the fax fields of the page layout. Let's make this a bit larger so maybe we can find it. So let's put it here somewhere. Yep, it's gone. Easy, right? Now let's make sure the sales reps don't leave the mobile field blank. Let's make it a required field. Mobile required, okay. Quick save to your changes without closing the editor. Where do we have quick save? There we have it. Nice work. You have just removed the field and made another field required, and you did it without writing a single line of code. The red star field must have a value. It's a required field. The blue one must be included on the page layout because an administrator configured the field as universally required or made Salesforce automatically requires the field. Green one is a controlling field, not sure what that means, and a red stroke field is a dependent field, and the log is read-only. That's kind of self-explanatory. You can assign page layouts to different user profiles. For example, you can create a customized page layout for managers and another page layout for standard users. To change page layout assignments, click Page Layout Assignment and then click Edit Assignments. I'm not sure where we can find it. Assign. Can't find it. There we have it, page layout assignment. And there we can see the different kind of profiles that exist. Standard stuff. And there we could assign it if we wanted to. Alright, so let's go to the next one, create a page layout. Maria wants to create an energy audit page layout just for a sales team so she can have the necessary fields and related list information at their fingertips when they view the energy audit records. When the audit energy custom object was created, a system default energy audit page layout was created too. Right now, everyone in the org who views an energy audit record sees the information from that default layout. Maria is going to create a layout just for the salespeople. Let's follow along. From the setup, click Object Manager, then click Energy Audit in the page layouts. Okay, let's change it to Energy Audit and page layouts. Click New. You have two options at this point. You can create a page layout from scratch, or you can choose an existing page layout to clone. Because Maria wants to build on what's already there for Energy Audit, she's going to clone the default layout. Select Energy Audit Layout, that's what I just did, and then name the new layout Energy Audit Sales Layout. Scroll down to the Energy Audit Details section. Here's a comparison of the page layout field details and the Energy Audit fields with the default configuration. Let's make this a bit larger so we can actually see this. Created by a single user. Last modified by. And you cast all that kind of stuff. The right hand column is almost empty and the fields could be in a better order. Let's fix that. Move audit nodes and type of installation to the right column above owner. Let's do this. have the audit notes. Type of installation, there we have it. Move account below energy audit name. It's already there. Quick save. Nice, but there's more to do because energy audit is a custom object, doesn't have any related lists yet. Let's add one. Scroll down to the related list section. In the palette, click related list and drag the files element down to the related list option. Okay, related list, we have that here. Files, where's files? Can't see the files, so I'm going to search. Nope. Enter a quick find here, files. Nope. The files related list, users and minor sales reps can add files to a record and see a list of files associated with the record. There we got it. It's named file, not files. Hope it's the right one, but anyway, better than nothing. Oh, there we got it, related list here. I'm not too smart. Anyway, we figured that out, so let's quick save that as well. We have added or moved related list on this page layout. Do you want to these changes to override? Yes, I do. And now it's time to assign it to profiles. Assign a page layout to profiles. Maria wants your Mayor salespeople to see this new page layout. She's going to assign it to her sales team's user profile, so when they view energy audit records, they will see the revised view of the fields and the new related list. Let's get started. So object manager, energy audit, page layouts, and the layout assignment, and edit assignment, custom sales profile. Custom sales profile. There we go. And we are supposed to select the energy audit sales layout. And then we just need to save it, and that's it. That was a bit quick. Select the system administrator row. Normally, Maria would select only the custom sales profile row, but since you're logged in as a system administrator, we select that too so that you can check out how the news page layout looks. So let's save that as well. And then we need to go back to the sales view. And then we are supposed to open an audit record. And now the look details, it's more condensed and efficient now. Yeah, that looks like it should, I think. Let's see if we have the file stuff there too as well. No, we don't. But there are probably no files anyway, so... should be under related, right? Let's look there. Yep, related files, it's all there. And if you click on related tab here, we just did that. Great job. Now you are more familiar with page layout and the page layout editor. You can start creating a layout that gives your users just what they need. By arranging tools and fields in a logical selection, you can make it even easier for your users to store and manage the data that's important to your business. So here we have a quiz for 100 points. With a page layout, you can control whether a user sees related or details pages, a field that display in the highlights panel, which fields list links and buttons a user sees on related details and edit pages, the size of the margins of the page, all of the above. I would say C, but let's see. Which fields, lists and links and buttons. It's not really highlights. Okay, so that is just for the classic UI, apparently. Size of the margins, definitely not. I don't think we can select whether a user sees related or details pages. That should be for something somewhere else. So it looks like we should just stick to C. When you modify page layouts, let's make this a bit larger. You can change whether a field is required, change the order of the field on the page, assign custom page layout to different user profiles, arrange fields in logical sections, all of the above. Logical. Yes, you can. So let's make this all of the above. Where do the fields and sections from a page layout appear when you view a Lightning Records page? Highlights. Fields and sections. Fields should be under details. Section. Can I drag a section? Okay, I can drag a section there. Didn't really do that, but it's under the details tab. Let's do this quickly so we can see. Oh, okay. Interesting. New section, quick save. And let's see how that looks like here. Didn't really do anything. Just yeah, new section. Okay, alright. It's there, so we can put something in there. Blank space. Quick save. Yeah, here we have the new section. Okay, it's under details for sure. Sorry for me taking my sweet time here, but I don't want to lose points. So let's check the quiz to earn 100 points. And we got everything right, that's great. So let's tackle the next unit.